Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Kylia, and today I'm going to film a college vlog and what I did for Valentine's Day with my friends. I was going to talk to the camera while I did my hair, but my roommate came into the room, so I'm just going to do a voiceover. But I did a twist out and it didn't turn out the way I wanted, but it was kind of cute. It was my first time, and this is me doing makeup, some concealer and mascara. That's about it. And this is my complete outfit and hair. I got my shirt from H&M and I got my jeans from PacSun. So yeah, that's the fit.
So I'm about to go to class right now. I'm going to English class. It's my favorite class of the day. And then I'm going to math, and then I gotta go to Spanish.
Just got back to my room, and I have one more class after this. I have Spanish. Then I'm through for the day. I'm out of breath because I was just speed walking across the street and I almost got hit. I have to eat because I'm starving. I'm gonna eat a Hot Pocket or a Pop-Tart. I don't know. I'm vlogging.
Stuff off.
Say hey to my vlog.
Hi vlog. It's Valentine's Day in the Bull City. You feel me?
That's not even it. It's this.
Okay, my friends look cute.
You
Stand
look
up, Miss.
good. No.
Miss. Eyes. So we're about to go cook. What are we cooking?
Fried tacos, y'all.
Fried tacos. Our friend Miz is gonna cook. I don't know how to cook.
Oh, I got a flower.
She got a flower. Do you have a Valentine?
No. I'm over it.
We're over it. It's okay. I only got one Valentine's Day message.
I got some, but like,
Not for my family.
Nobody trying to step. It's over with now. Valentine's Day almost over, so who cares? Bump it.
Right. Like, we don't need no man. Like,
No,
we're independent boss women. Like, we want a Valentine.
So bad. You can see the teeth.
She's so cute. Yes. Oh, this light's kind of good. Thumbnail. So we have our chef, Ms. Rahi. She gonna cook fried tacos for us, right?
Period.
Right? And she gonna teach y'all how to cook anyway. So
Teach.
Yep. Teach the audience how to cook.
Is anybody allergic to peanut butter?
But it's simple. We're about to cook, you guys. Never had fried tacos before, so excited.
I'm excited.
Trying new things.
Not singing.
So we're waiting for our other friend to bring her speaker. So Miss, tell them what you're doing. Chef Miss.
First of all, I'm cooking the meat. I forgot to take the meat out of the freezer, so I had to defrost it in the pot.
That's
Period.
okay.
It's okay
It's still
though.
gonna be good though.
Period. It's gonna be good regardless because I made it.
What's your name? Where you from?
I'm Aaliyah. I'm from Rocky Mount, the real 2-5.
Okay.
And you know, I'm just over here chilling. I don't really. I could help, but I don't really want to. So
She's
you know.
making the cookies, y'all. Where you from? Where you from, Naomi? Go ahead and pull up the 336.
So my name is Naomi. I'm from the 336, baby. You already know.
Ew.
The real borough.
Ew. Okay. I forgot to introduce, like, where you from. Go ahead.
704 Queen City, period.
Okay.
That's it. That's all.
And I'm from the illustrious. No. Where is that?
Bring your bitch ass up the street. They tryna drop by my long feet. Bring your bitch ass up the street. Bring your
Are you gonna play music or am I playing music? You
It's kind of foggy in here.
Let her play. I want to hear it.
Okay.
What are these called?
Samosas.
This is so good.
Y'all, it is so good. Miss it up. She know how to cook. Period.
Wipe her up, y'all.
And that's a period.
First of all, let them know. Like, I love this.
She did what she had to do.
Hang me up.
Did you write it back?
Not yet.
Oh, so you're like going to planning on.
I probably should.
What?
So,
I got it. Give me
they don't know me
Say
like
hey to
that.
my
Give me
vlog.
5, 6,
I met them like a week ago.
You know it's your whole life.
He just drive like he don't give a fuck about life. Especially when he high. I thought he was gonna die one time with me. With me and when me, you and Gio
Oh,
started,
you
bro.
heard that? I'm sorry.